Today's featured truck of the day is a 1972 Chevrolet C10 pickup truck. This one I recorded at my local classic car and truck auction in Palm Springs, California, where it sold for $49,000, which I thought you got quite a bit of truck for the money. It had a beautiful paint job on it and quite a few nice touches done to it. It was a RestoMod, so somebody had put a 454 V8, the 7.4 liter engine into it, the big block, and it also had a Edelbrock Performer intake, the V4 carb, billetine serpentine belt setup, chrome valve covers, long tube headers, all new exhaust, lowered with new springs and shocks. I was riding on the Riddler 20-inch chrome wheels and was finished in tuxedo black with the black and white houndstooth interior trim, which the black is pretty rare color for these trucks, and they do look good in it, but they are hard to keep clean, so you have to like washing it every day or two to keep it looking good. But also had the full dash cluster, including a tachometer and a double 3-spoke billet steering wheel, and of course a custom sound system. But it was definitely a beauty, that's for sure. And the 1972 was the last year for the 67 to 72 model, the second generation of the C10 pickup truck. And after that, the square bodies came out in 1973, and those went through 1987. And some people like those better, others like these better. I think they both look really good, and definitely make nice resto mods. That's for sure. Putting the updated engine or bigger engine or the new LS engine from GM. But anyway, that's today's truck of the day, a 1972 Chevy C10 fleet side square box pickup truck, the small box. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.